Ever wondered how much value a kitchen remodel can add to your home? Kitchens are the heart of any home, but over time they can deteriorate due to various factors. From an outdated design to worn-out fixtures, many elements can prompt a need for a makeover. But it's not just about fixing what's broken. A kitchen remodel can be a chance to enhance aesthetics, improve your lifestyle, and yes, boost your property's value. With Southern Oak Home Renovation, you can transform your kitchen into a space that not only meets your needs but also adds value to your home. From minor upgrades to major renovations, each level of a kitchen remodel can offer a different return on investment. A minor upgrade, such as replacing outdated fixtures, can boost your home's appeal without breaking the bank. On the other hand, a major renovation can transform your kitchen entirely, potentially leading to a higher property value. But remember, it's not just about cost, it's also about the value that these changes bring. Planning your remodel with potential ROI in mind can ensure that your kitchen renovation is a worthwhile investment. But there are more ways to enhance the appeal and value of your kitchen. Consider alternative strategies like replacing those outdated fixtures with sleek, modern ones. You could also incorporate energy-efficient appliances, which not only look good but save you money in the long run. And don't forget about accessibility features. Adding things like lower countertops or pull-out cabinets can make your kitchen more functional for everyone. Small changes can make a big difference in creating a kitchen that is both functional and appealing. At Southern Oak Home Renovation, we take a customer-centric approach to kitchen remodeling. Our commitment is to you, the homeowner. We understand that a kitchen remodel is not just about increasing property value, but also about enhancing your lifestyle. With our team, your vision and needs are always at the forefront. We work diligently to ensure that every project is a true reflection of your style, and most importantly, that you're delighted with the outcome. Ready to increase the value of your home with a kitchen remodel? Reach out to Southern Oak Home Renovation for a free estimate today.